Hello my beautiful people, welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. Today we are making cinnamon crumb cake. Without so much waste of time, let's get right into it. My dear beautiful people, they say the smell of a cinnamon has a way of waking up old memories, like a song you forgot you knew. Today, as I bake this cinnamon crumb cake, let me tell you a story that begins in a little kitchen where sweetness was more than sugar and crumbs were more than just leftovers. There was a little girl named Elsie. Every morning she would pass by her grandmother's window on her way to school, and every morning, without fail, she would smell something baking, warm, sweet, and comforting. Her grandmother, a woman of simple means, never baked fancy cake, but she always made one thing: a cinnamon crumb cake. A soft base, a golden crown of crumbs, and a smell of cinnamon that hugged the whole street. The neighbors teased, "Madam Ruth, are you trying to make the whole town jealous?" And she would laugh, wiping flour on her apron, saying, "Sweetness is not to be hidden. If you bake, let the aroma preach its own sermon." Elsie would sneak into the kitchen after school, hoping to pick the crumbs, and every single time, Grandma Ruth would pretend not to notice, even though half of the topping disappeared before dinner. One day, Elsie asked, "Grandma, why do you always make this same cake?" Her grandmother smiled and answered, "Because, my dear, this cake teaches us about life. Look at it closely. The bottom is soft, just like childhood, tender and fragile. The top is rough, uneven, full of crumbs, like adulthood with its struggle. But when you bite into it together, that's when life becomes complete. A sweetness lies in the mix of smooth and rough." Years passed and Elsie grew up. She left the town, moved to the city, and became so busy, and she forgot the smell of cinnamon in the mornings. But one winter, life pressed her hard. She lost her job, her friends were far, and she felt crumbs of herself falling apart in her loneliness. She returned to her grandmother's village. When she walked into the old kitchen, the window was still there, but her grandmother was frail now. Sitting quietly by the fire, the oven was cold. Elsie burst into tears. "Grandma, I don't know what to do anymore. My life feels broken, scattered like crumbs." Grandma Ruth reached for her hand and whispered, "Then it's time to bake. My dear, don't you remember? Even crumbs can crown a cake." The smell of cinnamon filled the air, and Elsie realized something profound. We are done, guys. Let's have a bite. Guys, this cake is so yummy. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, and please do not forget to like the video. I truly appreciate you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. I am definitely going to see you in my next recipe. Bye, guys.